Hey y'all, welcome to Ivy Wig and I'm Sandy. Today I'm going to be reviewing Belletress Citrus Mint in the shade Tress Leches. Belletress continues to be one of my favorite wig brands to review for a few reasons. One, I love their heat-friendly fibers. They're very realistic looking. There's very minimal shine, if none at all, especially on a blonde shade. And their fibers react really nicely to heat, which means that you can change them with a heating tool and they work really well. I love that they continually bring out new styles that are on trend, and they step outside the box with styles that are very surprising at times. But one of my favorite new features on Belletress is that they have improved their cap. If you've watched any of my previous reviews on some of the Belletress styles, one of the drawbacks that I would always mention was the lace front. There would be an obvious seam from the lace to the cap, and you would have to pull some strands out to disguise that. They've given us an extended lace front on Citrus Mint, which is going to allow you to pull it off for off the face styling. So I really appreciate that they're listening to us and improving their cap features. So let's talk about Citrus Mint. Now, Citrus Mint is very similar to Rosella. Rosella is just a denser wig. So if you like Rosella, but you would want a wig with less density, then Citrus Mint is a great choice. It is a variation of a beach style wave. I feel like I say that all the time, but beach style waves do have variations, and this one's no exception. There is not much wave up at the crown area. As a matter of fact, there's no lift at the crown area because there's no permatease in Citrus Mint. Most of your volume is here at the bottom of the style, and it's overall 16 inches long. You have the sides that range from 11 to 14 inches, as well as the back. The nape is 9 to 10 inches long, and you have a 5-ounce weight. I am 7 inches in my face and 4.5 inches in my neck. So let's look at Citrus Mint on all sides. So Citrus Mint is on a center mono. It is a wide center mono with a wide extended lace front, which is going to allow you to slightly move that center mono off center if you want to. And because of that wide lace front, you can move a piece over to the side to create a side swoop. Now you'll have to train it. It's not going to naturally stay that way, but you can do that. And as I mentioned, it is a center mono. Now that center mono, it's not sewn very dense, but there is a density to where you can't see through and see that mono. So if you want to have that mono visible, you may have to carefully pluck some of the hairs to reveal that mono because it's a little bit dense at that mono part. Okay, so let's talk about this shade. I have never reviewed Tress Leches. I guess I'm saying that right. Forgive me if I'm wrong, because it probably sounds very southern, but it's Tress Leches. That's it, Tress Leches, and it is translated as 3 milks. And you see those 3 blonde shades that are kind of milky in this shade. You have a light honey blonde, a light golden blonde, and a light ash blonde. Now when the Beauty Nook sent me Tress Leches, I was excited to try this because I'd never reviewed it before, but I was a little bit nervous because I'm not a fan of a yellow shade. And when you hear gold, my first reaction is to think, uh-oh, it's going to appear yellow. But it does not. It has a real soft, buttery appearance, but it's not a really golden shade. So you see that honey blonde, and you see that golden blonde mixed throughout. And then that light ash that's in there just creates that shade to overall appear neutral. So you're not going to have a really warm blonde and definitely not cool. So I would say that it is a neutral tone, just really soft and buttery, and really has stepped up in one of my favorite shades from Belletress. Belletress just really does so nicely on their blonde shades. Now, the root is no exception. It's done very nicely. I would say it has a medium brown and a light brown. You see that medium brown at the mono, and then that lighter brown just transitions into the body of the shade. And that's the way it appears. It appears like it's just natural growth. You don't have that real harsh transition that we sometimes I've seen in the past on wig brands. Belletress just really makes their shades look so realistic, and that's one of the advantages that I love about Belletress. Now, it is a finely knotted lace. They've taken that lightest highlight to the front, but it's not heavily banded, so it's just really softly dispersed in that lace front that gives it that even distribution, so you don't have a real heavy banding, but they have taken it to the front. Let's take a look at the lace front. I mean, it's always a really good lace front as far as the way that it just contours onto your forehead. Citrus Mint features an extended lace front that is sewn from the felt covered ear tab to the opposite felt covered ear tab. You have a wide lace that is sewn into a center mono. There is no permatease on Citrus Mint, and it is on an open wefted average size cap. It will fit a petite average up to 23 inches in circumference. It has a standard velvet nape and pull strap adjusters. I am a 22.5 circumference, and I did not have to pull the adjusters in to fit my circumference. I'd like to thank my friends at the Beauty Nook for providing Citrus Mint for me to review for you today. If you'd like to purchase Citrus Mint, I'll put the link in the description box below. You can click that. It'll take you right to the website where you can purchase. If it's your first purchase, you can use my code IBWiggin35 to save you 35% off. And you can also find the Beauty Nook on the App Store. Once you download that app, you can shop their live wig sales every Friday night at 8 p.m. Eastern, where they feature the brand new human hairline Being Naturals, as well as brand new shades and styles, sometimes clearance sales, mystery sales, giveaways. We never know what to expect on those live wig sales. So also, before you go, would you please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel? That way you never miss any of my wig related content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.